What's going on, guys? Back on another video, and today we have the Baseus T2 intelligent rope type anti-loss device. It's going to be unboxing today. Let's check it out. As we can see right here on the side of the box, it says right here, high decibel call, location record, replaceable battery. Right here on the bottom it says one click quick search, two-way anti-loss. Let's see in the back. We're gonna read the specifications of this device. I hope you guys can see it there. The material is PC, the color is white, rated voltage 3 volts, rated current 3.3 milliamps, rated power 10 U watts, I believe. The volume is 80 to 100 decibels. Battery is the CR2016 at 75 milliamps, 3 volts. Product size 37 millimeters, 25 millimeters, and 6 millimeters. Net weight 5 grams. Accessories, it comes with a lanyard. So you can see there's some certifications right here on the side. Okay, let's open this box and let's check it out. The box is a very nice box, nice presentation, so you guys can see. Let's open this box. Let's see what's inside. We have some paperwork. Right here we have the manual. It comes with this, another paperwork, the warranty card. Oh, we have another one inside. We have a thank you, a thanks. Okay, we're gonna put the paperwork on the side. This is the actual device. It's very small, very nice. It looks like it's good quality. Let me put all these boxes on the side. As you can see, this is a lanyard. I believe you can unscrew this. It comes apart. You can put it back together. Very nice. It feels very strong. And we have the actual device. So you can see. Look how small it is. In the back we have the certifications. So you can see, we have right here a hole so you can use the lanyard. We have the button right here to turn it on or reset it. Right here on the bottom we have a hole right here for the sound, the beeping of this device. Okay, let me push this button to see what's gonna happen. I don't know if you guys can hear it. Let's compare this device with the quarter so you guys can see how small it is, how thin it is. It's very light. I think the quarter is heavier than the device. Very nice. The reason why I buy this device is because of my AirPods. I don't want to lose them, and this will be perfect for it. So you can see, I can put it right here on the side. bear with me so you guys can see how it looks. Okay, let's unscrew this. Let's put it right here. Okay, we have one part. This is my AirPods. We have the second part of the lanyard. Sorry about the delay, guys. Okay, there you go. Let's unscrew this back into place. And boom, there you have it, guys. This is perfect for your AirPods or mobile devices, tablets, smartphones, AirPods, earbuds, anything like keys. This is perfect. It's very light. Okay, we're gonna go through the app. Okay guys, I got my smartphone right here. I have the LG Stylo 4 and already uploaded the app at the Play Store, Google Play Store. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn on the Bluetooth so we can search the device. So you can see, we're gonna click right here, search, and it's looking for the device. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna push this button right here for a couple seconds, and it should show up on the list right there. Baseus T2. We're gonna click right there. It's already on my list, so you guys can see. It's already connected. Okay guys, the next step what we're gonna do is we're gonna click to add my first device. Okay, we're gonna click right here on the plus sign. It comes with 3 different devices, the T1, T2 and the smart lock, and this will be the T2, so we're gonna add that one. And we follow the instructions right here. Firmly press the button for 3 seconds until you hear the beep sound. Step 2, place the Baseus device nearby the phone. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. Okay, we're gonna push the button for 3 seconds. Bind successfully. Okay, we already have it on the list. I'm gonna close this page, and there you have it, guys. This is my first device. What we're gonna do is we're gonna click there, and I'm gonna change the name. You can upload an avatar, your picture, or the device. In this case will be the AirPods. You can take a picture and you can place your AirPods camera right there. We're gonna change the name to AirPods. Okay, AirPods. As you can see, it has the battery. It tells you if it's low or high, and we have some alerts. These alerts, it tells you that when the Bluetooth is disconnected from the device, it will give you an alert. So you can see the phone alert ringtone option. We have 3. The Electron, Limpid, and the default. Right here, device alert ringtone. We have some tips on the bottom. Okay, let's see what else we have. Okay. We can turn it on, we can turn it off. Right here you can remove the device. This one, there's another one right here. Oh, we have the do not disturb alert ringtone as well. Okay, we're gonna go back, as you can see. So if I want to find this device, what I do, I just go to the app and click or hit find, and we'll start beeping. Okay, let's do it. Let's try it for the first time. I hope you guys can hear it. The beeping sound tells you where's your AirPods or your items or your mobile devices. And it's pretty loud. It's kind of like a little bit annoying to your ears. And that's good because it helps you to find the device much better, in my opinion. So when you're done finding your device, what you're going to do is you're going to click done, and it will stop beeping. There you go. Okay guys, what happened when you lose your items, your mobile devices, your keys or AirPods? I'm going to show you right now. And the reason why I put this tape right here, because it's going to show up the last time where was my device or my AirPods in this case, and it's going to show up my address. So that's why I put that right here on top of the screen, so it doesn't, I want to keep it private. So what happened if you lose your item? So let's say your Bluetooth is off. So what's going to happen is my phone is going to beep and the device is going to beep at the same time, letting you know that it's disconnected. Okay, there you go. And the device as well. So what we're going to do is it's going to say your AirPods is disconnected, meaning this device. So I'm going to hit OK. And what happened next? What we're going to do is we're going to click right here on the first device that we add. We click there. As you can see on the bottom, it will show Google Maps. For any reason, it's not showing because I believe it will show up when the device is found. So what we're going to do is we're going to mark it as lost. We click here and it tells you a message saying when another Baseus app in the community comes within the Bluetooth range of your lost device, they will send you a notification to you. So what we're going to do is we're going to click right here, hit OK, and this message on the bottom is going to say cloud finding. Okay, there you go. See, now it's looking for your device, and when they found the device or the app finds your device, it will show up and it will tell you the address on top. That's why I covered this. So let's see if you find the device before this notification. We're gonna click here cloud finding, and it says cloud finding, when your AirPods has been found, the location will be updated. Undo, and there you go. Okay, that's it guys. I hope you guys like this video. Please comment, subscribe, like, and let me know what do you think on the comments below.